When it takes 2 years to bring a trade show to life, you can bet the experience is going to be worth it. I'm Ellen Rogers, and this is GlassTec 2024. Automation and efficiency are big topics for many of the exhibitors. Here in the Glaston stand, they've got a few new machines just for that, so let's go have a look. Hey Mika, how are you?
How are you, Ellen?
I'm good. What have you brought to GlassTec this year for us to see?
Well, this year the big themes for us is providing automation solutions, energy efficiency solutions, and we start from the machinery. So in machinery we have new generation TPS, so insulated glass lines. The speed of the line is the fastest TPS line what there is at the market at the moment. The new features of having a drum pump system that feeds from both drums at the same time guarantees the 24/7 production in TPS. And then related to the TPS, a machine over here, which is the first and unique solution in the market to automate a mounting, like a grid solution, placement into a TPS unit. First one of its kind.
Okay.
So those are the main machinery innovations that we are launching this year in GlassTec.
So what are you seeing as far as this shift in demand for more automation, more efficiency? You know, kind of what are customers asking about when it comes to that?
I would say there are kind of two main questions. One question is how can the glass processors automate their existing processes? Not everybody is planning a new greenfield investment. And these kind of innovations where you can integrate into existing lines, this mounting placement, in tempering line that could be automated loading, optimization to help our customers to get more of what they already have.
Finding ways to increase operational efficiencies is one of the biggest production trends we're seeing right now. So I'm on my way over to CMS because they've got a new machine that can cut and seam laminated glass. Hey Chris, how are you? Good to see you.
Good to see you.
Tell me about this new machine. I just got a look at it a few minutes ago and it looks pretty interesting. What's going on with that?
So this is the brand new Agile Lam. This is our brand new cutting table for laminated glass. This is a project that we've been working on for a little while. It's going to be the start of a couple of other new machines that are coming along with it. It's an automatic system for cutting and breaking and optimizing laminated glass. It's got a very nice user interface that has the optimization right there on the screen, so the operator doesn't have to get out of what he's doing in order to optimize a sheet. And we have this thing paired with the Proxima, which is a semi-automatic seamer. So in making products, you can cut them out right there and then just take them over to the other side of the table and seam them right there.
Okay. You know, that's one of the things that we're talking a lot more about lately is this drive toward increased automation and increased efficiency. So how do you, when you start developing a machine like this, how do you take those, things into account?
Well, cutting laminated glass by hand is a very manual process. It involves fire and knives and cutters and all sorts of stuff that, probably scares business owners as far as the safety is concerned. So we try to automate the entire process here so that the operator is handling the glass as little as possible and keeping them safe.
In the U.S., we're starting to see a lot more use of safety and security glass. So I'm on my way to see Akarmak to hear about some of their laminated glass production solutions. Hi, Sudetin. How are you? It's good to see you. Welcome to GlassTec.
Welcome you too.
Yeah, so what's exciting this year? What are you focusing on?
We are a regular exhibitor here, so every 2 years. But all in all, we participate in like 3 shows in a year. And we are here to promote our autoclaves used for glass in safety glass production, the laminated glass, bullet resistance glass, or even auto glass for every single vehicle windshield.
So what kind of demand are you seeing right now for your equipment? Because we're seeing a lot of demand, the increases for laminated glass. So is that kind of driving some
It is
work for
a
you?
popular product line in glass processing. In many countries, it's in increasing trend. In Europe for sure, and then we see also big momentum in the US.
And when it comes to processing and fabrication, one of the things that we talk a lot about is this move toward automation and finding ways to increase efficiencies in production. So what are you seeing? Are you seeing some of that as well?
Well, fully automated, autoclaves, safety is a big thing. So it is a certified product, certified by third parties. So it's fully automated, it's fully computerized. We are able to access our machines remotely when the service is needed. We offer a package, like not only autoclave, and autoclave also loading system, and sometimes in the cooling tower and so on. So a high degree of automation.
JRS is one of the newest companies here at glasstec, but their experience in the industry is not new. I'm going to head over to the booth now to talk to some of the founders and learn a little bit more. Hi, how are you, Federico?
Hi,
It's good
nice
to see you.
Nice to meet
Ready
you.
for glasstec?
Yes, after the Dallas show, we decided to come here to promote our company.
You said you're a new company, but you're not new to the industry. But
No,
so tell us a little bit about what your type of equipment you offer and kind of what you're focusing on.
JRS company is a new company, but it has a long expertise in glass industry and glass machinery industry. Now we started with our machine, the one, really milling countersink machine. It's perfect for shower doors and to work with windows and so on.
And what are some things that you're hearing from customers, like when they're looking at equipment? What are they looking for when they're ready to buy a machine?
You have to look at the service and aftermarket service, for example. The problem is not technology today. The problem is to be there with your service and answer to the customer needs and problem.
So Caroline, I know that IGE works with a lot of different glass machinery companies. JRS is just one of them. So tell us a little bit about this relationship, this partnership, and kind of what you're able to bring to the U.S. market working together.
Absolutely. So we're very excited about this partnership because, as you know, IGE has a long history in offering drilling, milling, and countersinking solutions. When our existing product line was purchased by another company, this gave us an opportunity to find a new solution. What stands out about this company was the ability with a clean slate to take their engineering genius and start from scratch, bringing absolutely new concepts and technologies to the market with a big focus on high production safety, flexibility. The idea was to maximize the uptime and take away the headaches for obviously the machine operator and the company owner.
Forel has made some updates and additions to their automated IG line, including one cool new feature. Hey Scott, it's good to see you.
Nice to see you as well.
I just got a great demo of the equipment you're running over here. It's almost like no one has to touch the glass. It's so efficient and automated. What are you seeing? Is that a lot of automation a big focus for you guys now?
Yes, automation is pretty much at the forefront of everything that we do. The ability to give customers options by giving them flexibility and reducing labor is a key priority for everything that Forel does and is part of our DNA.
Okay, so I know you've got the IG TPS line you're running, but what are some other new features you added this year?
Yeah, so one of our primary innovations for this year with our thermoplastic lines is the ability to run spacers that are greater than 20 millimeters in width. So one of the things our customers were demanding is, are we able to run thermoplastic IG units that have air spaces of up to around 1 inch or 25 millimeters? With our new innovation that allows us to re-profile the units after they have cooled slightly in our buffer system to allow for that airspace to become reality. As the material cools, it tends to slightly deform because of gravity and the heat that was built up into it. By cooling the unit and using our reprofiling machine, it allows us to bring that back into alignment so that when your finished IG comes out, it looks absolutely perfect.
That is it for our first day at GlassTec. Be sure to tune in for our next newscast where we're going to be talking about sustainability and performance. If you are here at GlassTec, be sure to come by and see us in Hall 13, stand B13, and also follow us on social media. Thanks for watching.